Hey, so what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back with another video, y'all. I got me some hair, y'all. I honestly did order. Let me show you the box since we here. I got an order that I placed from Wig Types. I got me one of those bigger eco styling gels with the cannabis and black castor oil in it. I did like this gel when I first got it, but then I noticed it leave little BBs in my hair, but I had already ordered it, so I'm going to use it. I ordered some of their little face masks. I got two. I think that was like two for $5 or two for, that was real cheap. So I got these for like when I'm going to stores. But I'm going to be honest with y'all, I honestly wear my N95 everywhere. And if anything, I put it on top of my N95. But they're cute. They're cute. They functional. But at a little cheap price. Since these look like they're becoming a lifestyle fashion statement, you know. And I got me some more of this. Is good. This wild growth hair oil. This is really good. I've been using that up. And I got me one wig. I got me two short girls, but I only got one from Wig Types, which is a model, 100% human hair. We'll do her next after we do her. And y'all, I got some wigs coming from Sam's Beauty. Girl, they are long girls and they're beautiful, so I'm going to rock these little short girls now. So y'all look out for a wig a day next week because I'm going to be pumping them out, y'all. But anyway, this unit here is a premium Duby Diamond 100% human hair in OM Wine. I don't know what her name. Oh, she just says Soft Pixie. I thought that was so darn cute when I first seen it. So I said, I'm rocking this for my BoxyCharm video. And I already knew you guys was going to want to see it and know the specs, the ins and outs, the what is and the what nots about her. So that's why I'm getting this video ready for y'all right now. Let me get the hang tag off. Let me let y'all see it up close. Here you go. It says it's 100% human hair. Pixie wig cap, extreme part. Enhanced volume, 6-inch deep part. I like that. I like that. Lace edges and natural hairline. So we finna see what she really working with. I didn't get concealer. We're gonna need some concealer. Still not all the way unpacked. So I'm a little discombobulated right now. I got makeup stuff everywhere, y'all. Just everywhere. So work with me here. Okay, y'all. I got my NARS concealer so I can fix this part up. Let's see what she looking like. Oh, okay. I was not expecting lace. So y'all know I don't have any scissors. She actually got a little bit of lace right across the front. That's why she looks so real. I'm going to have to get up again, y'all, and go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Okay, I got some scissors. That's about how much lace you get in the front. Looks like you got 2 combs on the side. And we got 1 in the back. I am not going to talk too much and make this video super longer than what it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off. Did we have a, yeah, we got a comb in the back. I don't know if I said that, y'all. Let me cut the lace off. Okay, guys, we got the little bit of lace off. It looked a little light, so I cut a lot of it off. Could be me. Could be me. Could be me. But let's go ahead and pop her on, y'all. Ain't no sense in making this video any longer than what it has to be. I like that parting. That's a pretty good amount of parting right there. And I probably should have put on a lighter cap, but that's neither here nor there right now. I just know I needed me some short hair because y'all, this heat, this Texas heat is real. It's real. Let me get the end corners right. Let me see. Where my ear tabs at? Right there. It don't have the little bendies that I'm used to having, but I ain't messed up. I ain't too messed up about them. Let's see. Let me get my mirror. When your head a little bit bigger than mine, I think you can keep on going. And no sense in watching this video because I'm trying to get her in the right spot, but I got a big old head, so. But the good part is I got super thin hair, so it ain't really throwing me off. I'm using my NARS on Monday. This is the one for wigs. Yeah, I got two. Actually, I got three. One is a backup. I got the old one that I use only for wigs now. And then my other one I use for my brows. Y'all know we do too much. We do too much. Y'all, I already spent my little first order on this Sephora sale. Ooh, that don't look right on that burgundy hair. I probably should have just put a lighter cap on, cause that concealer looking kind of patchy on that burgundy hair. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I like this hair already. Ain't no hair on my neck. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm gonna have to work this in. I'll probably wash this out, and next time I'll just use it look real natural too. Super natural. Let me put some mousse in this girl. Try to get that concealer worked out. I'm just using this Bomb Fuse mousse. You know, always supporting a fellow YouTuber, you know. Because you really got to enjoy YouTube to be doing it. As long as I have. You know. Because it ain't no, you know, unless you just doing ridiculous mess, ain't no lot of money in it. You got to really enjoy doing it. Yeah, that look a lot better. Get that extra concealer out of there. Oh, I like this little hair. I wish, you know what? I think I should have got this in a 1B. But I wanted me some color. It's summertime too. I know I'm trying to be cute. Super cute. Give me some waves going on in this hair. Bring her some life because she kind of sleepy right now. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Really natural looking. I don't want them to be flat. I want them to do some stuff. Yes, mommy. Yes. This is cute. And it looks so natural. I ain't fooling with no baby hairs. If anything, I put me some little adult swoops. Because I'm too old to be rocking some baby hairs. Too young. Okay. That's cute. That's cute. Get her styled up the right way. Might bring us on down here. Now that is really cute. Something about these little short Pixie human hair units. Pop them on. Run some little mousse through them and get your style right. Now one thing I will have to do when I get ready to rock her up outside the house, I'm going to have to flatten my little ponytail back there. Take it down and don't leave it as a ponytail. Because that's the only problems I'm seeing. I can't see it, but when I turn around, y'all will probably see that little hump from my little ponytail in the back. This is cute. Let me let y'all see the back. I ain't gonna make this video too long. Baby, that is pretty. Okay, guys, I don't remember which site I ordered this unit from because I just know I wanted two Pixie cuts. So you can just Google the Outré Soft Pixie if you're looking for her. And yes, baby, yes, this is original. I like her. We're gonna do the next short Pixie cut too, in case y'all like me, it's hot. You want to get the hair up off your neck, honey. This is doing it. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys really soon in the next video. Bye, guys.